TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 154. You get the Nasdaq up 30. S&Ps are up 13. Gold contract up $2.70, trading at $1,080 an ounce. We have silver at $14.21 an ounce. Platinum up $4 at $8.59 an ounce. Copper's up a penny at $2.09 a pound. Light sweet crude banging on that $40 level. We're at $40.45. Bottom line looks like it wants to break down into under that $40 level. Bonds, 10-year up 4 ticks, 126.29. 30-year up 7 at 154.29. The 30-year, folks, took out its swing point yesterday. Its higher swing point, took it out with volume, wants higher price. 10-year is getting some traction. Bottom line is that it's huge divergence here in what it is. Bonds continue to want higher price. They're in the higher range right now, higher price, lower yield. And then we go over to King Dollar. King Dollar is up 246 ticks this morning at 99.31. Now, what King Dollar has done is this. It got to a price point of 99.87 to 99.90. The ABC structure is 99.98. You came off that high, and we've come off that high twice now with volume on the way down. Today, it's testing, going up on lighter volume. It's got a close call here if that's the end of the higher move inside King Dollar. The way that the gold and the metals actually caught a bid yesterday was pretty good. We'll see whether they can continue to catch a bid out here today. The euro is down 44 at 106, and the yen is at 122.78. We go over to the S&Ps. What you have, this is option expiration. Nike got the baby going out here, no doubt, inside the Dow Industrials. Nike is going to do a 2-for-1 stock split. They've raised the dividend 14%, and they're going to buy back stock. That being said, the SPY right now is still at 209.87. Your last swing point out here is 211.66. It looks, we'll see whether we get a contraction of volume today. Yesterday, we had a big contraction of volume. We got to a price point of 209.05. You had 88 million shares, correlation 121 million. You're going into 131 million. So out here in the SPY today, your benchmark is 209.49. Where that 209.49 is, that is the beginning of the second downdraft on November 9th. We did 131 million shares. You close under 209.49. That's a failure once again. On the daily, now that on the weekly, what we have is that the setup on the weekly you'd have to get a close. Yeah, same number, 209.44. 209.44 would give you a weekly failure. The NQs, the NDX 100. What do we have in the NDX 100? Inside the NDX 100, it is up 63 cents right now. The last high that was established on the 4th is the 115.47. Right now, you're at 114.31. Bottom line, to go back to the S&Ps for a second, yes, the 3 black crows are absolutely in place. The 3 black crows, folks, started the downdraft out here on the 210 level inside the SPYs. Now, bonds. We go to the bond market. You take a look at bonds. What you have with bonds is this. Bonds took out the high yesterday, took it out with volume. Bonds want higher price. The disconnect, no doubt, out here on this counter trend bounce is that bonds continue to want higher price. The kicker is going to be this dollar. You know, the dollar is the dollar basically done going up. It almost looks that the way the dollar's trading today that I would say, yes, it is. Why? Because what we've had is this. The dollar came down yesterday on 39,000 contracts. We're going to go up today and probably give it up on price somewhere around 24 to 27,000. That sets up a smaller ABC structure on the way down. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051, or you can go visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.
The Path of Least Resistance is David White's daily trading newsletter, and if you're looking for active trading ideas, then now's a perfect time for a 30-day free trial to this powerful daily trading advisory service. David uses his years of trading experience to offer his subscribers his trading ideas each morning in his Path of Least Resistance newsletter. Using a combination of equity trades along with options, David keeps his subscribers up to date with all pertinent market information with intraday afternoon updates when warranted. Don't miss out on this great chance to get a 30-day free trial to David's daily newsletter, The Path of Least Resistance, with no obligation to pay anything. David has been delivering solid recommendations for his subscribers recently, and if you'd like to see the type of newsletter he delivers every morning, then visit the front page of TFNN, and you'll find The Path of Least Resistance under Trading Newsletters. For all the details and to start your 30-day free trial today, log on to TFNN.com now.
No matter where you're listening to TFNN programming, you can always access your favorite shows on demand through TFNN.com. TFNN airs live programming every market day from 8 a.m. till 6 p.m. Eastern, and you can view each program by accessing Tiger TV through our homepage. We even have an easy link for all mobile devices, including iPhones, iPads, and Android devices, located in the top right-hand corner of the TFNN homepage. You can use your smartphone to view Tiger TV.